Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue west on US Highway 90 alternate, beginning in the unincorporated community of Altair in Colorado County, Texas. There's going to be a lot of nothing along this portion of our drive since the population density drops to around 10 people per square mile, but we'll pass through some interesting little communities on the way. We approached the unincorporated community of Rock Island, which had an estimated population of 160 in the year 2000. The area was settled in 1896 as part of a land promotion scheme on the Texas and New Orleans Railroad. The survey and map of the community was completed on February 19, 1896. Initially known as Crasco after nearby Crasco Creek, citizens petitioned the Post Office Department to change the name to Rock Island in 1897. The petition was granted, and Charles Peterson was appointed the first postmaster of Rock Island on August 9, 1897. In July 1909, a hurricane made landfall near present-day Freeport. The storm passed over Rock Island with winds estimated to be around 75 miles per hour. Several downtown structures, including a bank, were destroyed. The population of Rock Island peaked in 1925 at around 500. In the 1960s, the community suffered several fires that left large gaps in the former downtown. The number of inhabitants had fallen to 160 by the mid-1980s. It remained at that level through 2000. Although it is unincorporated, Rock Island has a post office with the zip code of 77470. We reach the unincorporated community of Sheridan, Texas, and as you can see on the right, the big attraction here is the Splashway Water Park, a family-friendly water park featuring slides, a wave pool, and a lazy river, plus on-site campgrounds. Although Sheridan was developed as a farming community, it now derives most of its income from cattle ranching and from the Sheridan oil and gas field. The town dates from 1908 when Hugh Sheridan, from whom the town got its name, sold extensive acreage to the San Antonio Loan and Securities Company. The company in turn entered into an agreement with the San Antonio and Aransas Pass Railway to develop the town and promote the sale of lots and small farms. In September 1908, a post office was established with Mrs. Lee A. Scott as postmistress. The plot of the town was recorded in the Colorado County Clerk's office in 1909, and on March 6th of that year, a hotel was completed to accommodate prospective buyers. Sheridan was widely advertised in the Midwest, and the town grew and prospered. The foremost crop at the time was figs, and the Sheridan Fig Preserving Company shipped crates by rail throughout the United States. Other popular crops included cucumbers, melons, potatoes, and strawberries. We enter Lavaca County, which has an estimated population of 19,809. Lavaca County consists of 971 square miles of flat to undulating terrain with elevations ranging from 150 to 350 feet. The eastern part is drained by the Navidad River, and the central and western parts are drained by the Lavaca River. In the southeast section, the soils are light-colored and loamy with very deep reddish or mottled subsoils. The remainder of the county has deep alkaline clayey soils over a chalk underlayer with a huge shrink-swell potential. The vegetation in the northwest is typical of the Blackland Prairies region, with tall grasses, mesquite, and oak predominating. Pecan and elm trees are found along streams. The southeast is in the post-oak savanna vegetation area, characterized by tall grasses and post and blackjack oaks. Between 21 and 30% of the land is considered prime farmland. Natural resources include oil and natural gas. Among the animals commonly found in the county are white-tailed deer, bobcats, coyotes, possums, squirrels, foxes, armadillos, skunks, bats, cottontail rabbits, raccoons, and numerous reptile, fish, and bird species. The climate is subtropical humid with warm summers and mild winters. The average rainfall is 37 inches. The average annual temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperatures in January range from an average low of 41 degrees to an average high of 64 degrees, and in July from 73 degrees to 96 degrees Fahrenheit. The growing season averages 278 days a year, with the last freeze in early March and the first freeze in early December. We enter the city of Hallettsville, the county seat of Lavaca County. Hallettsville has an estimated population of 2,585 as of 2016. Hallettsville is named for an early founding family that colonized this area. John Hallett had received a land grant from Stephen F. Austin in 1831, and after his death in 1836, his wife, Margaret Hallett, donated the land for the town's location. The town is home to the Texas Championship Domino Hall of Fame and also hosts a Dominoes tournament every year in January. It also hosts its annual Kolache Fest and Fiddler's Frolic events in September and April. We conclude today's video as we approach the junction of US Highway 77. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.